Let's learn some basic techniques of color. First is hatching. You have to do color in one direction. Yes, all the shades, strokes should be done in one direction, like this. So like this, when you color in one direction, it is called hatching. Now comes cross hatching. Here you have to do first the hatching. You have to color in one direction. Once you finish this hatching process, you have to draw lines in another direction, opposite direction. So this is called cross hatching. So you have to make strokes in opposite direction. So this technique is known as cross hatching. So here in cross hatching, you color two times, one in first in one direction and then second in another direction. Next comes heavy pressure. Here you have to do color by applying more pressure on your pencil. You have to do color in one direction but by applying more pressure. It will give totally a different look of color when you apply pressure like this. So this was heavy pressure coloring. Here you applied more pressure and the coloring work is done. Now comes light pressure. You have to do color in the same way but you have to apply little less pressure. The coloring way is the same but the pressure you apply on the pencil is little less. So just by changing the pressure on your pencil makes so much of difference in the coloring. See here the pressure was less, so the color is done in some different way. So this was light pressure coloring. So these four techniques were basic techniques. So now we will learn some advanced technique. So the first is layering. Here we are going to use two colors. I am doing first yellow color. So I am just finishing my coloring work with the first color and that is yellow. So now you can see I am done with my yellow color almost. So after we finishing the first color, we just make one more layer of another color. That's why it is called layering. So now I am taking blue color and just doing the color on the previous color. So this is called layering. So like this, when we do layering, we get a new color. So here by mixing yellow and blue, we get a new color and that is green. So in layering, we get a new color by mixing two colors, by blending two colors. Now comes burnishing. Here first we will repeat the step of layering and then we will add one more step. So in burnishing, I am doing first the blue part like we did in hatching. So I am just doing my first color and that is blue. After finishing hatching work with blue, I am doing now just like layering. So now we will be doing the step what we did in layering. So I am just making one more shade with pink color on this blue color. So now the second step is layering. So burnishing includes hatching plus layering plus one more steps we will do in the end. After finishing this layering work, we will just repeat one more layer of this pink color with little heavy pressure. Okay, so now we will just repeat this one more color layering work on this to get the final burnishing effect. When we do this last color on this burnishing technique, the final color is now ready. This is ready for the last work. Okay, so now this becomes little smooth and now no more color is to be done here. Next step is gradient. Here we just blend few colors. So we start with one color. Once we are done with this, we go for next color, and like this we go on blending 2-3 colors. So you can see we are just blending the third color. We just blended red with orange and now we are blending yellow with orange. So like this, 3 colors gradually blends with each other, and that's why this is called gradient. So this way the colors blend with each other in this step. So this is called gradient work. Next comes white blending. Here the color is blend with white color. See here, we are doing red and we will blend this with white color. So we are now blending white color with red one. So now we will start coloring from this white side and we will go on the red side. So this white color will blend with red color. So this is called white blending, when we blend white color with some other color. So this is advanced technique. You see, layering, burnishing, gradient and white blending. These 4 techniques are advanced technique. Hatching, cross hatching, heavy pressure and light pressure are basic techniques. So like this, we just saw what are different techniques of coloring here. You can use these various techniques in doing various types of color. So now you can use all these techniques to do different types of color. So now our white blending is also done and all techniques are done. So you see how you have seen different techniques over here.